Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss follow-up questions with Kuldeep and Vishal. The topics are boring things and collectible things. These are the questions which are recently asked. So let's see how they answer, and I will also try to provide a simple answer for that particular question. Okay, let's start with Kuldeep. What kind of things are boring to you?
There are not much things which is boring to me, but reading books is kind of boring to me because it is so time consuming. That is the biggest reason it is boring to me.
Okay, Vishal, answer the same question.
There are not many there are not many things are boring to me, but I think reading books is boring to me because I have no interest to read books because they have a waste of a lot of time.
Okay. Kuldeep, what do you do when you feel bored?
I do a lot of things which I am bored, like
When I am bored.
when I'm bored, like playing cricket with my friends and also communicate with my friends on social media apps. This is the things which I do when I got bored.
I do a lot of things whenever I feel bored, like playing a game with my friends like cricket and football because I have a keen interest to playing games.
Okay. Kuldeep, what was the most boring thing you did when you were young?
As I say, reading books is the kind of boring thing to me. And also, when I am young, I don't like to read books because, as I say, it is a time consuming and it is a waste of time to me. So, when I am young, reading books is a kind of boring thing to me.
I did not like.
I did not
I
like.
didn't like reading books when I was in school. Same question for you, Vishal.
I recently say I have a non keen interest to reading book. Whenever I read book, I feel so bored. That's I think whenever I'm young, I I think reading book is the lot of boring things to me.
Okay, you could have added when I was a child. The main question was when you were young. When I was a child, I didn't like reading books, especially the books related to my subjects, because I find those books very boring. Okay,
Okay.
you have to mention like that.
Okay, sir.
Academic books you find boring. Story books you can say I like reading.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Kuldeep, do you think school is boring?
No, school is not boring because it is the beginning of the gateway to the world, and also it is one of the necessary things which every children should visit and also needed to enhance their skills like communication skills and how to communicate with other friends. It makes introvert person to extrovert person because in the school we communicate with our friends and strangers also.
Okay, the answer could have been improved. You tell Vishal first. Do you think school is boring?
No, I think schools are not boring because in school time is the best time in our life because in school days we can make a lot of friends and make a good memories. That's why I think schools are not boring.
Vishal answer is much better. Okay, you can say I don't think the schools are boring because when we go to school we meet different people, we meet friends there, and school is the first place where we get the taste of the real world. So I don't think the school is boring. And
Okay,
moreover,
sir.
there are many activities which we do in school which are very fun. Did you feel more bored when you were young? Sudeep?
Yes, when I'm young, when I was young, I got bored when I am reading books, as I say, and also there are many other things when I am got bored when I was young, like when I attend a seminars which is organized by the schools on my academics. So it is a kind of boring thing to me when I was young.
I think there are not much things. When I was young, I feel bored, but I think reading books and going to the outdoor with stranger persons, that's why these things feel bore me.
After already repeating books 3 times. So you can try to change the answer.
Okay, sir.
We could have answered like this. When I was child, I didn't feel much bored because everything intrigued me. I liked everything because I had no burden of studies. I used to go outside to play sports. But nowadays I have a pressure of my extra future career, so that make me bored sometimes because
Okay, sir.
I don't know what to do else. Okay, now let's talk about collecting. Do you collect things? Pradeep?
Yes, I usually collect things because I have keen interest in collecting antique pieces. So recently, I have started to collect antique coins, which is in my collecting things,
Which are?
which are in my collecting things.
Do you collect things?
Yes, I collect a lot of things because I have a keen interest to collecting things, but I mostly collect old coins and new jewelries.
You can say yes, I like to collect things. The most important thing I like to collect is shoes. I'm a big fan of Nike shoes. I like to collect those shoes. Okay. If you want to change your answer.
Okay, sir.
Are there any things you have kept from childhood?
Yes, there are many things which I have kept from my childhood, like my toys, because it shares my memory and also my feelings towards my childhood. So these are the things which I kept from my childhood.
Yes, there are a lot of things can I give my childhood like toys and clothes because in these things I attach my feelings.
Yes, I have lot of toys from my childhood. I also have certain dresses which I used to wear on some special occasions, like some fancy dress or some marriage party. I have those things, and it reminds me of my childhood.
Okay, sir.
Do you keep things old for a long time? Sudeep?
Yes, I keep things old for all times because I have loved with the old things because it shares my memory, as I say, and also these are the things which is with me from for old times. So these are the things which I have kept from old times.
Try to answer, Vishal.
Yes, I can give a things long for a long time because I can attach with my things. I can love my things more. That's why I give a things for a long time.
Yes, I like to keep old things because I easily get attached with things. I develop some bonding with the things. So I like to keep them because it reminds me of the good times that I have spent with those things. Okay. Last question. Kuldeep, where do you usually keep things you need?
I kept my things which I need in my personal room because it is near to me and convenient one to use it. And also there are so much space in my personal room. So which the things which I need, which I need frequently, I are placed in my personal room on the Almira.
Vishal?
I mostly my whose things are near to my heart. I kept on my personal room in Almira because they are a safe thing in my home and it's also a close to me.
Okay. So overall, it's a good attempt. Still, some grammatical mistakes are there from Vishal you, and so sometimes Kuldeep you're answering in a different way.
Okay,
So
sir.
if you can improve that, I think you guys have the potential to get at least 6 to 6.5. It will be more improvement. Thank you so much for your time.